So you just launched a blog. Now what? The first 90 days can either set you up for long-term growth or leave you stuck in the "why is nobody reading my stuff" zone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to focus on in the first 90 days of your blog to start getting traffic fast and build a system that brings you readers and revenue month after month. Stay until the end because I will also show you a few SEO shortcuts, including my personal favorite trick for spying on your competition and taking a piece of their traffic pie. So step number 1 is to set your intention like a business owner. Before you write your first blog post, I want you to think about your blog like a business. What's your end goal? Do you want to make an extra $1,000 a month? Or replace your full-time job? Or do you want to sell digital products or services through your blog? Whatever your plan is, everything starts with clarity. The niche that you choose, the keywords that you target, the affiliate programs that you promote, all that flows from your ultimate vision. Remember that time is your most limited resource. So in the first 90 days, focus on learning and doing, but not perfecting. This is why I suggest that you move on to the next step quickly, which is step number 2, get your website live. As I said, perfection is the enemy of progress. So don't overthink choosing the platform, just start your blog on the most popular CMS, content management system in the world, which is WordPress. Yes, I recommend building a blog on WordPress. It's what I use, what I teach, and what most professional bloggers rely on. And you need a self-hosted blog. So for this, I have used in the past both Hostinger and Bluehost. Both are affordable and reliable, but I would say this. I love how Hostinger now has an AI WordPress site builder. It makes setting up so much easier, especially if you're not techie. They also introduced a plugin for affiliate marketing, which is included in the hosting plan for free, and it would cost you hundreds of dollars per year if you were using a separate plugin for this. I actually did a full tutorial on that recently. It's linked up there and also in the description below if you want to check it out later. And then you need to get your main 4 pages live. Its homepage, about page, the page where you have your recent blog posts, and one blog post template. Don't obsess over logos and fonts right now. Your job is to get online, get indexed, and get moving. Now, the next step is keyword research. Okay, let's talk about getting traffic to your site. Now, please listen to me carefully. This part can sound boring or intimidating, but you have to do it if you want to succeed with your brand new blog with Google SEO. Because there are thousands or perhaps millions of other websites competing against you. So you cannot just go after the most popular keywords and hope to get traffic from Google for those super competitive keywords. You do need to look for keywords that have fallen into the cracks and were not extensively covered on a lot of other sites in your niche. So how can you do it? Personally, I use the Keyword Gap tool on SEMrush. This is my go-to SEO and keyword research tool who kindly sponsored this part of the video. So with Keyword Gap, you can compare your blog with competitors and see which keywords they rank for that you completely missed. And these are some golden opportunities I could jump on. I used this same approach when I started my site, and it helped me get my first Google visitors much faster. The organic research tool allows me to have a peek at a competitor's site to see which keywords are driving their traffic. For example, in the niche of Pinterest marketing, I know that this is a Pinterest management agency and they tend to rank for a lot of keywords in my niche. So I will submit their website and now I can see what are their top keywords. So I personally like to check the recommendations from this Copilot AI feature. It alerts me on traffic drops on specific pages of my website and also suggests new keywords that I should try to rank for because they're related to what I'm already ranking for. For example, you can check this keyword, how to delete a pin on Pinterest. And you can see that its average search volume is 5,400 per month, and my ranking is not high enough. My site is on 28th position. SEMrush shows me here the keyword difficulty, and this particular keyword is competitive. So other sites with higher domain authority might still rank higher even though my article is pretty good. So if you want to jumpstart your new blog's traffic with data-backed content ideas, give SEMrush a try. I've partnered with SEMrush to get you an exclusive 14-day free trial. Click the first link in the description below. It's trysemrush.com/AnastasiaBlogger and try it for free. Now the next step is to write and publish your blog posts without perfection. This is where most beginners get stuck. They spend 2 weeks editing a single post. For example, you have a post with different affiliate links. You will likely need to wait to get approved for all these affiliate programs. It's way easier to get approved by sending the brands your link to this newly published article that already mentions their products. So publish first and then come back to this post later and add your affiliate links. Blogs are living documents. You can update them later. What matters now is building momentum. I recommend you to make it your goal to post at least 1 post per week. That's about 12 blog posts or about 2,000 words each in the first 90 days. Your first few blog posts will likely take you more time. Maybe you will spend half a day working on each post because everything is new to you. Your next posts will be easier, trust me. You learn to do a lot of things in life, and you will learn this too. 1 blog post per week is very doable, even if you have a full-time job. That's how I started my blog. I worked on it in the first year while still keeping my day job, so I worked on it mostly on weekends. It was not easy, but it paid off over time. Now, as I left my day job as a full-time blogger, I can work on my own schedule. I can spend all the time that's necessary with my daughter. You know, it's a different lifestyle when you know that you don't have to beg your boss for a sick leave. But I had to earn this lifestyle by making the extra effort in the first year of blogging. Our next step is to not focus on monetization yet. Yes, I said it. Don't focus on making money from your brand new blog in the first 90 days. Traffic first, authority second, monetization comes later. Don't scrape pennies with Google AdSense. First, because Google won't likely even accept your blog before it's at least 4 months old. And second, it will pay you pennies, while you could be earning maybe more than $100 per post with affiliate marketing once your traffic is higher. Success in blogging isn't about one viral post. It's about creating a collection of small wins over time. Publish consistently, target low competition keywords for Google traffic, start building your email list from the visitors that you do get on your brand new site. And if you do this for 90 days straight, you will not recognize your blog in just 6 months. If Pinterest works for your niche, then you can also target more popular keywords with the idea of getting traffic for those keywords from Pinterest, not as much from Google. Well, at least not in the first year of blogging, because Google cares a lot more about authority of your blog, and Pinterest treats new blogs just as well as it treats older sites. But Pinterest can give a big boost to your blog in the first year. So if the niche is right for Pinterest, don't waste this opportunity and check out my video on how I'm getting about 70,000 monthly visitors to my blog from this platform. I'll link it up there and I'll see you in the next one.